Join us for a City of Locust hand heart tree Valentine's craft. For this craft, you'll need a paper towel tube, glue, construction paper, paper plate, and decorations. We use some heart stickers. Start by tracing your hand on the brown construction paper. This will be the trunk of our tree. Next, you'll cut this out, though your child may need some help. Then you'll cut the base of the paper towel tube into 3 parts. With our pink construction paper folded in half, I'm going to trace a heart and cut it out. Now we can start gluing our pieces together. Start by gluing your hand onto your pink heart. Once these 2 pieces are glued together, you could go ahead and have your child decorate the heart with stickers or markers. We waited until the end, but you could do either. I measured my daughter's hand against the paper towel tube and decided to take about 1 inch off the top. I then glued the hand and heart onto the paper towel tube with liquid glue. Now we can glue the paper towel tube onto the green paper plate. I had to hold it down firmly for a few minutes for the glue to dry. Lastly, we decorated our heart tree with foam heart stickers. We hope you enjoyed this Valentine craft. We'd love to see photos or video of your hand heart tree, and you can share them with us on social media by tagging us at City of Locust or by email to events@locustnc.com.